Statistics has it that 90% of traders lose their trading account in 90 days, within 90 days. Okay, so if you want to have an edge, if you want to be ahead of this 90%, if you want to be ahead of this 90% of traders who lose their account within 90 days, this video is a must watch for you, because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to become very profitable regarding trading key levels, support and resistance. And this is one truth you must know, that price moves from key level to key level, and a proper understanding of how to identify these key levels and how to take advantage of them in making your trading decision can be a game changer for you, can be the game changer for you. So this video, I'm going to make sure I explain to the best of my ability the concepts of key levels, how to trade them like a pro. So come with me, let's do this together. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, this is Dafa Trade. Subscribe to this channel and turn the post notification bell, and please like, comment and share this video. Let's go straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, so this video is how to identify key levels like a pro. Like I said earlier, price moves from key level to key levels. Like you see here, price has moved from this key level, bounced off this key level, and eventually it broke it, went to the next key level, bounced again on this one, rejected and then dropped again, retested and returned to this other key level. So this is how it moves from key levels to key levels. This is the fact in the market. It is unarguably true. It is indisputable. This is the truth. Price moves from key level to key level, and if you don't know this yet, then you are still very far from becoming profitable. I just know that. So in this video, I will teach you everything you know about it. So you see how price is moving here. Now, before we go ahead to learn this, I want you to know these things. 4 facts about price and key levels, support and resistance. Okay, when I talk about key levels, I'm talking about support and resistance. So 4 facts you must know. Number 1, know that price moves from key level to key level. All right, you must just know that price moves from key level to key level. That's number 1. Number 2 is that price doesn't move between key levels in a straight path, but in a series of swing highs and swing lows known as market structure. All right, so price moves in swing highs and swing lows known as market structure. As that market structure is forming, it's moving from one key level to another. Now, the third one is whenever price breaks a support, it becomes a resistance, and vice versa. Okay. Fourthly, whenever price breaks a key level, you trade the retest of that key level, and whenever price respects a key level, we trade the bounce off of that key level. Okay, so if price hits a key level and rejects it up and rejects the key level, we trade that rejection. Whenever it breaks it, we wait for a retest. That's how it works. Lastly, never see your key levels as a solid line on your chart, but as an imaginary zone on your chart showing you an area price will most likely respect in the future. This is the simple truth. These are facts you must know about key level. Just like we have the equator. Most people, when you talk about the equator, they feel there is a line dividing the earth between the North Pole and the South Pole, but there is actually no line anywhere. If we talk about the North Pole also and the South Pole, we also think there is one pole in the north and another pole in the south. But these are just imaginary terms you use to make scientific and geographical knowledge, explainable and relatable to the layman. So when we talk about support line, when we draw that support line on your chart, or you draw that trend line on your chart, just see them as a zone. These things are zones, not just that tiny line you draw on your chart. Okay, that's why I see that at some point price will go below it a little, and still respect it. Sometimes price will come close to it but will not touch it, but it will still respect it. So that's just it. It is a zone, not that solid line on your chart. Okay, so these are 5 key factors I said for here. It's 5 key factors that you must, 5 key facts that you must understand about key levels. Now, I want to show you the steps. These are the steps to draw your key levels like a pro. Okay, there are steps I want to show you now. If you understand these steps, if you master them, if you memorize them, then you'll be able to draw your key levels like a pro. After showing you these things, we are going to the charts to practice this thing in real life. Okay, so the first one here, the first step is start from the higher time frame, like the weekly or daily, and then scale down to the H1 time frame. Okay, so you start from the higher time frame and gradually scale down to the 1 hour time frame. That is the last time frame I draw my key level. After that, I just go down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to start trading accordingly. Okay, now secondly, identify and mark the highest and lowest turning points. Okay, so you can see here I have marked the lowest point here, and here the highest turning point. Okay, these are turning points that price gave me, and these are major key levels. Major key levels, they have a great deal of importance. Price sees this lowest point as oversold and this highest point as overbought. Okay, so price will either break below this low if it comes to it again and retest it, or it will bounce off from it. So if it bounces off from it, then you are targeting this high. But if it breaks below it and retest, then it will go down. Adjust it. Now you must identify and mark the highest and lowest turning points. That's the second point. Then the third step is identify and mark areas of multiple price rejections. Areas of multiple price rejection. This usually holds a great deal of importance in marking your support and resistance. So you can see here how price retested this level multiple times. It was difficult for it to break above it. So when it comes to it, it will not be easy for it to break below it. So it is either going to respect it and push upward, or it will drop. Same thing here. You can see how price respected this place multiple times, and eventually it broke it here and went back, retested it and dropped. You can see, that's what I'm telling you. Whenever price breaks that support level, wait for a retest. It is going to come back to retest it and it will drop. That's it. So fourth step is identify and mark areas where price has previously used as both support and resistance. Okay, so now look at this level here. Price used it as a support level, used it as a support level, eventually it broke it. Now it is using it as a resistance level here. See, it is now using it as resistance level. So you mark it also. That is just all you need to do. This is all you need to do to mark key levels. These 4 steps. Alright, and then you wait to see what will happen. If price should bounce from here and show you that bearish rejection, then you can now sell. If it should break above it, you wait for a retest, then you can now buy. Okay, this is just how it works. It is very simple, very simple. Okay, you take note of these steps. Anywhere, anyone you miss, go back and watch it, rewind it and watch it again and again. Watch this video over and over again. Make sure you don't skip any part, because it is very, very important. Now let's go to the chart. Okay, let's go straight to the chart and let's see how we can do this together. Let's see how to mark these key levels. Okay, this is my maybe let's start from the weekly time frame. As we said earlier, just go to your higher time frame. This is Bitcoin actually. Go to the higher time frame. You can see I've already marked here. So first of all, okay, let me delete all these stuffs. Let's start all over. So looking at this, you can see that this is the lowest turning point here from what we have, and then this is the highest turning point. So I mark the both of them. All right, now I'm starting from the weekly time frame actually. So here also we have multiple touches. All right, we have these multiple touches here, so I will also mark it. Now, if I go to the daily time frame, let me go to the daily time frame so I can see more details. Okay, so I can see this level. I see this level. You can see where we have multiple touches. Price has touched this place multiple times, so I'll place my line there. That is my support level. Now it has been broken. Price has tested it, so it is now resistance. It is acting as a resistance level, and price is dropping. So imagine we saw it earlier when price just broke out. So we would have waited here. As soon as price comes to retest it like this, we now sell and would have made profit. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go to the H4 time frame. Now on the H4 time frame, mind you, as you are going lower on your time frame, you are focusing more on the areas closest to the price level. Okay, so here on this H4 time frame, you can see this level where we have had price used as support earlier, but now it is using it as resistance. So we'll mark it. It is an area of importance. Price has used it as both support and resistance, so it is worthy of being marked. You can mark it. Now we have marked it. So this is our resistance area also. Okay, so looking at this, you can see that here price has rejected it multiple times, like twice. So you can also mark it here. Yep, you can mark it. So these are our support and resistance, our key levels that we've marked. Now I think, yeah, we've marked them, and that's probably all we need at the moment. That's probably all we need at the moment. You can also decide to, mark here, but this is not so important to me again. But looking at this area, you can see the price has rejected multiple times here. So yeah, so that's it. It may not be too important again. As a matter of fact, this is the area I will pay more cognizance to. This is it, because price, it was strong enough to cause price to reverse. Yeah, so with this I'm done. I won't mark anything again. As you can see, my trend line is here. I'm just waiting for price. I already have analyzed this earlier. I'm just waiting for price, because look at our resistance level here. Price has come there. I'm just waiting for price to show that rejection, to respect it and show that bearish rejection. Then I will sell. When I sell here, my stop loss can come above. Then my first take profit will be this level. You can see price has rejected there multiple times, so there's a possibility that price will come there and reject again and push up. So that's why I marked it. That's going to be my first take profit. Then here will be my second take profit, and then the next will be this key level. That is just how you trade this strategy, guys. It's very simple, very sweet, very profitable. Okay, you can see how price is moving from key level to key level. Now, I told you that you don't treat this as a solid line, but as a zone. You can see here, price crossed below it a little. You can see here, it is like price did not come to it very well. Just like that. You can see here, price crossed below this one a little. Okay, so that's just how it is. You mustn't treat it as a solid line, but as your zone, as an area of value. Okay, so I'm waiting for this patiently. Bitcoin goes here. I'll find a way to enter. Okay, using maybe bearish engulfing pattern or morning evening star. Find a way to sell. All right. So let's see. Maybe let's just see gold. I love gold. So gold has given me a lot of money. Gold has paid me a lot of money. So let's analyze gold. Now this is gold. Gold has been very bullish, very, very bullish. So we are not going to start all the way from here. No, we are doing nothing with that. So we are going to look for the areas closest to current price level. That's where we are going to mark. So we mark the highest. So we have this turning point. This is the lowest turning point for us here. And then, yeah, this is the highest turning point here. So we mark it, and then you can see price has broken it already. But let's go to the daily time frame to get more details. So okay, I think I need to put this here. This is more valid. Yeah. Okay, so from this, basically, if price should reverse to this other block, I think it will be a good buying opportunity for us. It will be a good opportunity to buy. I would love to see price reverse to this, but if it doesn't, gold is very, very bullish, so it might not even come back. But if it does, good and fine, I'll actually buy. So here on the 4 hours time frame, you can see this level of multiple rejections. This is a level of multiple rejections. Price has rejected this level multiple times, like many times. Okay, so we mark it also. When price comes here, it's going to be very, very significant to us. So actually, in between these two levels, that's my point of interest. So let me go to H1. Yeah, that's just all I need to mark right there. But here also, I think I can mark this one briefly. Let me use my box. So this area, if price should, break below it, then I want to be selling. I want to sell if price should break below it. Actually, I do this from the 15 minutes time frame. That is it. I actually do all this from this 15 minutes time frame. If price should also come to it, like you can see this place here, that block here, that's my point of interest. If price should come here, then I'm going to, if I see a bullish sign, I'm going to buy. This one that is doing now, I am considering it as inducement. This one that is here. So if you now buy here, put your stop loss here to smash it, sweep it off, and come here, retest and push up. So this is actually where I'm waiting for price to come. If price comes here, I mean for a buy. Okay, so this is it. Price comes here, I mean for a buy. Yep. So this is where I'm going to be buying. Let me place this. I'm waiting for this. So if you are watching this video today is, what's today's date even? Okay, today is 14th. So if you are watching this video 14th of March. So if you are watching this video today, just wait for price to come to this level on good. If it doesn't break it and if it gives a bullish sign, then we'll buy it. We need to wait for confirmation. But if it breaks it, we'll wait for a test, then we sell. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so the next one here is volatility indices, VIX 10 index. Okay, so we are in the weekly time frame. What we're going to do here is just to mark the highest swing high and the lowest swing low. Okay, the highest and lowest turning points, that's the first rule. Mark them. Then I think we have another point of interest I need to mark here, level of interest here. Yeah, so just mark this one. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, let's look for areas of multiple rejections. Very important. Okay, so we can see these areas where price rejected multiple times. Mark it. So basically price is down right now. We need to adjust this one. Yeah, is it? So price has been going down actually. So what we want to see from this kind of setup, from this kind of market, price need to come back and retest here. Although it has retested already, dropped, but need to come back and test it again. So let's just go to H4 time frame. More clarity. Okay, so on the H4 time frame, good. We have this area where price has rejected, so I think we also need to mark it. Yeah, this is it. So we want price to come back here. You can see I already marked this as my point of interest. So we want price to come back there. Now on the H1 time frame, there's absolutely nothing to mark here again. There's no need to mark anything again. We've marked this already. So these are our key levels. We want price to come back. You see, you have to make your chart very neat like this. So we want price to come back here, and when it comes here, what we want to do is we want to, sell because price is bearish. So we want to sell. So it is as simple as that. We want to sell whenever price comes in. So on the 15 minutes time frame, actually this is our entry time frame. You can see what is happening. Price has broken out of this kind of level here, out of this range, retested the first time, broke out again, has come back to retest. That has given us this bullish engulfing candlestick. So this is going to buy. This is going to buy. This is a buy to sell actually. So it's going to buy all the way up. It's going to buy all the way into this point of interest and then sell downwards to now sell. Okay, so this is how you get fine trading opportunities. If you are in my Telegram group, this is how I generate all those signals I've been sending you that you are making money with. This is exactly how I get those signals. Okay, so I'm actually going to buy this one. So if you have not joined my Telegram group, the link is in the description box down below this video. My Telegram link is in the description box down below this video. Click it and join the Telegram channel and contact me for mentorship, account management, and for VIP signals. Alright, let's make money together. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Therefore Trade. And remember, as long as you continue learning, as long as you continue improving, it can only get better. Type that in the comment section. Type in the comment section. It can only get better. Goodbye.